Hello and welcome to the Greatest Tamil Science channel. I'm your host Vishakha and we continue our conversation with Dr. C.K. Nandagopalan on the topic of diabetes. In our last program, we looked at the solutions that modern science has for diabetes, and we asked Sir about the solutions that ancient Tamil science has for the same condition. So Sir, you had promised to let us know in the next video. So what are the solutions, the cures and the control that ancient Tamil science has for diabetes mellitus?
Yeah, diabetes mellitus as Madhumegam was there in the ancient days itself. Not that it was not. Ever since humanity has been there living on this earth, all diseases were there. Not that it was not there. So you had one medicine which can cure, total cure to diabetes is medicines which is made out of lead, metal. Lead.
Lead, okay.
Yeah. Now you don't have people to make that medicine. It's very difficult to make. If you don't make that medicine properly, you die.
Okay.
If somebody is making medicine out of lead, and if it is not made properly, you will die or you become very highly sick for the rest of your life. So I don't know, there are people who are making it, but I will not put my hands onto it because it's very difficult formula to do that. So you do have a lot of methodologies in the organic world from the plant kingdom. Lot of churans are there to facilitate these diabetic people. Then you have number of low glycemic index grains, rice, which is all coming up now.
Right.
Coming up now. So ancient science by itself look at diabetes as a very small problem. It's not an alarmingly a big problem,
The way it is today.
Yeah, the Vaidyas, the ancient time Vaidyas, they know by looking at your eyes only, they will know. They will diagnose you, okay, you are suffering from this. So that you are not chemically contaminated by giving you medicines which are made from the synthetic world those days. So they give you certain small things. They ask you to streamline they educate you in terms of your diet. They educate you in terms of your fasting. They make sure that your physical exercises are there in the sense like go work, whatever, don't stay at home, be in the sun. And the basic part of the ancient science treatment is to stay without your shirt in 1 hour in the sun in the morning and evening. The basic problem that we face today is we are not exposing ourselves to sun because too little been studied by the modern science. What sunlight photosynthesis can happen with our skin. How many products have been produced by the body. Like how plant kingdom produce with photosynthesis, glucose and all that.
Right.
We also produce many things by sunlight falling on us. All those kind of systemic stuff, they will very nicely educate a person. There is no much of medicine here. See, diabetes mellitus itself is an imbalance in your blood with respect to higher levels of glucose or lower levels of glucose.
True.
Now, how to put that back into track that I should have minimum levels of glucose, which it should not exceed even after my eating, after a certain span of time. All that, it's all over. Now, they regulate you very well. They give you good amount of advice with respect to your diet, with respect to your exposure to sunlight, with respect to, your fasting, with respect to your physical movement. They take all that into account. Here doctors, they see you, they don't ask you anything, they don't have time. There are 50 patients are waiting outside and he has to go home before 11 o'clock. He just keep writing either a test or a medicine. There is no time to converse with the patient for the doctors today. Ancient days, they exclusively sit with the patient, talk for number of minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes, get to know all the details about his family and all that, what kind of, if you are having stress levels are very high, if you are into a lot of problems, they try to counsel you. If your emotional turbulences are very high, because of that your blood is going to become acidic and some disease is going to set in or drawback disorder is going to set in. No medicine can help you.
Right.
No matter even the Lord Shiva has to or Jesus Christ has to come and give medicine, it will not help. So we need to attack you psychologically. And that was the ancient Vaidyas were very good in it. They can, make you well within no time. And there are people who are doing that kind of job today. But only thing, it's very difficult for you to search for such genuine people where you don't spend any money at all. Because medicines are not done on a commercial basis. It was done as a service.
Right. And
As long as it was service, there was medication going on. There was the field of medicine was good. The time it turned into commercial, everything is gone haywire.
also what I hear you say, sir, is that diabetes being a lifestyle issue has to be solved through lifestyle and not
Yes.
through medication.
Not through medication. Yeah,
It does not require that intervention.
exactly.
Beautiful.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.